Good day, biomeds. Okay, what I have here is a patient monitor. It's a UT 4000F Pro, and the complaint for this one is the nibp start button. It's a hard touch button, so I think this is the only problem. So first, we're going to open this up and check this button right here. It's just a micro switch. As you can see here, there's no reading. So okay, we're going to open this up and check inside. Okay, as you can see here, I have already opened the front panel, and this is the LCD side. So first thing to focus is in this area right here. This is the connection to the buttons at the front right here. So we're going to check this portion right here, and as you can see also, this is the module board of the patient monitor. And actually we don't have to touch anything in this area, since the only complaint is the button. Okay, as you can see here, we have the power supply, and we have this one, the display button, this display board. And at the back of this side is the connections between the ECG and the nibp. We have also the battery compartment, and we have the printer right here. So okay, let's going to check this one. Okay, I already pulled the part where we're going to troubleshoot. So as you can see here, we have the ECG, freeze, and IBP. So this one is the problem. And as you can see here, the tack switch here is a special one. So what we're going to do is we're just going to transfer the good one to this portion, and I think the print, I'm going to pull out this one, and I'm going to swap this one with the nibp tack switch. It's just a 4-pin type. Okay, so this is just a basic electronics. Okay, so we're going to swap the tack switch with the use of a soldering iron. Okay, so I already soldered back the tack switch, or the push on switch. I already swapped the nibp with the printer switch, so we're going to test this one, and I hope it does functions right back again. Okay, so as you can see here, I already installed back the screen, and I already tested it. So let's try it again. I hope it does start with one touch only. Okay, so it's not a hard start anymore. As you can see, we have the BP. Oh, 144.7. So, okay, our patient monitor can now have a nibp with a soft touch button. So that's it, Baymeds, and thank you.